Hello friends, welcome back to Garage Oven. My today's recipe is a very simple and a quick egg biryani recipe. It just takes around 30 minutes to make this egg biryani. Let's quickly note the ingredients required. You need a medium-sized onion, ginger, garlic, mint leaves, coriander leaves, a little of them as I've taken, 2 green chilies, and you can see 5 badi red chili and some of the whole spices. The list I will be mentioning. Transfer all of them into the mixer jar. Add a cup of thick curd and grind it to smooth fine paste. Here my masala paste is ready. This is the key ingredient to give the delicious flavor to the biryani. Simultaneously, I have also kept 7 eggs for boiling. I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice, washed it well and kept it aside for 30 minutes. Now let's start making. I'm going to heat half cup of ghee and I will be roasting the egg. Make some gashes on the egg before roasting. Roast the eggs until it turns golden brown. Now we will be adding the ground masala paste. Stir fry the egg well along with the masala. I am adding a small cup of water from the leftover masala from the jar. See that the flame is under moderate heat and we'll be cooking the eggs along with the masala. Add salt as required. Since we have made gashes into the eggs, the egg will take the flavors of the masala. We have cooked the masala well for around 5 to 8 minutes. You can see the oil leaving the masala. We'll be beating 1 egg now and we'll be adding it to the masala. By adding a beaten egg, it gives a unique flavor to the recipe. Now we'll be continue to cook it for the next 3 to 5 minutes under low heat. The egg masala is almost ready. Now let's quickly cook the basmati. I'm adding some cloves, some cardamom pods and a little of the garam masala powder, salt. Cook the basmati rice until it is 80% done. You can add some more ghee. I'm adding just 2 teaspoons of ghee. The basmati rice is almost cooked for 80%. I can smell the wonderful aroma of basmati rice along with the spices added. Now we'll be gently layering the basmati rice onto the egg masala. Spread the rice well. Now I will be gently pressing the rice and leveling it. I will be sprinkling some homemade garam masala powder. You can also use any garam masala powder of your choice. I'll be also adding some crushed kasuri methi and 2 big tablespoons of melted ghee. I will be closing the lid and I'll be placing a heavy object onto the lid. We'll be keeping it for around 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes you can see the perfect egg biryani which is ready. This is one of the simplest way of making the egg biryani. Please do try this recipe and do let me know your views in the comment box. Please do not forget to subscribe to Garage Oven. I will be coming with yet another easy and quick delicious recipe. Until then, happy cooking. Bye.